my name is Olga. I'm from Aksum Marine. So now we're in IDEX 2025 for Aksum Marine, which is a third exhibition where we participate in IDEX. Aksum Marine, it is a company who produce armored boats for maritime solutions. The most important feature of Chaser 980 that it can be transported in 40 ounce container. It can be also transported on the trucks. So that means that there's the opportunity to provide with hidden delivery. This opportunity provides the customers that the boat can be delivered with confidential. So here you can see the Chaser 1200. The capsule was done totally from ballistic steel, so it provides with opportunity to have a B6 protection under the external threats. And hull was done from the HDPE. It reduces the weight of the boat, but in those times simultaneously it provides with high opportunity to be protected under the external threats as well before, and go more fast because of the reducing weight in general of the boats. So in exhibition, we wanted to present our product that it is unique because only we have B6 armored protection. It's like rescue boats also. It helps basically for government protection borders. And but technically, our boats also can be customized. We can provide with some kind of techniques or some features based on the customer requirements. Boats Chaser 1200, it can be go with maximum speed up to 50 knots. So it's basically the most faster boat here. Aksum Marine, we already have an experience to open manufacturing in foreigner country. So basically our main office located in United Arab Emirates, and we already have experience to work and to create the manufacturing like in the Turkey solution from the beginning and everything.